Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I got the mail yesterday, and it was delightful. These are the only two pieces I got. This one, I thought, someone sent me a postcard. Yes, Ayla did. And this one is number 10. This is Ayla's art. She did that. Is that gorgeous or what? I mean, even her brush strokes are just gorgeous. I love this. It's October 1st, postcard day. It's also it was my son's 48th birthday. I tried to draw a Blythe postcard, but was not happy with how it was turning out. Maybe next year. Thanks so much for all the joy you bring in my life. Love, Ayla. She is so sweet. Ayla is a personal friend. Have we met with Ayla and Ron 3 times now, right? St. Louis and twice in Cincinnati.
And Chicago.
Oh yeah, in Chicago, yeah. Ayla and Ron are just good people. I also got 2 more of these cute little silicone dolls. You can get these on eBay, less than $7 delivered. And they're just cute, and they're just, they're very silicone-y. And tomorrow, come back to my channel, because along with Tina's Reborns and more, and Dory's Dollies, we have a couple of these dolls in a collab you will want to see. Okay, we need a Halloween song. I'm trying to think of one. Or how about if we did, I can't think.
How about Monster Mash?
Yeah, that's a good one. Here's what we're doing. In our comments, go ahead and put your normal comments in. And then in another comment, type in a phrase or the next line of Monster Mash. Go through the other comments and see what lines have been left and try to follow so that the whole song is in our comments. Again, that's Monster Mash. Happy Halloween month. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
You know it's a graveyard smash.